What is the Quran? The Holy Quran is Allah Almighty's message, which was revealed to Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. With regard to its subject matter, the Quran is an account of Prophet Muhammad's preachings and warnings to people of Makkah and Medina. The Holy Quran consists of 114 chapters, mostly in pairs. These were revealed in either Makkah or Medina. These chapters are divided into 7 major groups. Each group begins with a chapter revealed in Makkah and ends with a chapter revealed in Medina. From the 2nd to 7th group, it gives the reader a top-down view, which means the book is arranged from conclusion to beginning. The first group discusses satisfactory completion of reasonings to Jews and Christians, the announcement of the new representative nation of Almighty Allah, purification and cleansing of followers of Islam, final oath and commitment between Allah Almighty and followers of Islam. The second group discusses satisfactory completion of reasoning to polytheistic Arabs, purification and cleansing of followers of Islam, the implementation of final divine punishment of Almighty Allah to non-believers. The third, fourth, fifth and 6th group discuss the rewards for those who followed the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, and warnings for those who rejected the message in regard to the Day of Judgment, the purification and cleansing of the followers of Islam. The 7th group discusses warnings of Day of Judgment to leaders of Makkah, and satisfactory completion of reasoning to them, warning of severe punishment if the message of Prophet Muhammad is not accepted, and the prediction of Prophet Muhammad overthrowing the leaders of Makkah. In a nutshell, while reading it, you will experience and witness the whole prophetic life of Muhammad, peace be upon him. So what is stopping you from reading it?